My name's Kieran from Get Packed, and this is our new V3 battery strapping tool. We call it the ZBST V3. This is one of our new and improved strapping tools, which features a brushless motor, so you've got better power delivery. And also the tool only comes in at 2.6 kilos, so it's nice and light. A lot of strapping tools on the market these days. This one is simple, it's not overly complicated. What you're gonna do is squeeze your handle and put your strap in from the side, tension with the top button, and then seal with the black lever. You've also got two very easy options here. Your first one's going to control how much tension that you put on the strap, as you see with the little gear icon. And your second one back here is your welding time, or how much you want to weld the strap. Different thicknesses of strap, different strengths. You're going to want to adjust those settings. With 3,200 newtons, it is capable of putting down 320 kilos of tension. So it's a really competitive in-class strapping tool. We're going to do a quick demo today. So we're going to load our battery. Lights come on. Now, I've made a loop of the PET strap. This is our 15mm polyester. These tools will run 12 or 15, both polyester and polypropylene. I've come over and under and made my loop. So now I'm going to squeeze. Just going to put the tool on from the side. That's all lined up. Now we're going to tension. That's nice and tight. And now we're going to seal. We're going to let our light stop blinking while our weld congeals. Now we're ready to go. We simply squeeze the handle and pull the tool off at the side. Got a nicely tensioned loop of 15mm PET strap. We've got a nice friction weld here. Gets rid of the crimpers. You don't need to muck around with any annoying buckles. It trims off the rest of the strap for you as well. The V3 is one of our best offerings in the battery strapping tool world. Give us a call.